Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan here, business author speaker. Welcome to this YouTube video entitled Your Guide to Prosperity in Tough Economic Times. I appreciate it very much if you get something from this video. If you could hit the like symbol, that's the thumbs up symbol, and subscribe to my channel. Look at, we live and work in an social environment that's governed by turbulence and chaos. We also have the unique characteristic now that we didn't have really before the year 2000, that we're in a debt bubble, a major credit bubble. We're over leveraged with debt. So if something goes wrong, it's not a question if something will go wrong, it's only a question of when. And so when something goes wrong, when a system is over leveraged with debt, leverage works great when things are going in your favor. Leverage is debt, by the way. But when things go against you or against the economy, it magnifies the downside. So therefore, how do you survive and prosper in an economy that could stumble badly? There's two things I'm going to look at. I'm going to orient it to the personal side, but you know, there is no clear division between personal and professional. They sort of merge and there's a gray area, so whatever on the personal side really pertains to you professionally. You know, when things stumble in the economy, you know, that just means they just take a little hit. No, when they really dive and really take a nosedive, that's times of great opportunity for those who are prepared. And that's what I want to do in this video. Make you prepared to buy assets on the cheap. And you'll come out smelling like a rose. Nothing goes down forever, nothing goes up forever. Okay, number one, your debt levels. Start reducing your debt levels. Why? When things get bad, ask yourself this question: is your debt levels, are they manageable? Are they manageable? Are they manageable? Manageable means, given your debt levels, and if things really take a stumble and your income dries up, will you be able to pay the interest and principal on your debt? That's it. Not just for a few months, but consider doing it, your time span being a year or more, at least a year. Do you have the resources to do that? Well, that gets into the second point, number two. Start building up your cash and cash equivalent resources. In business, that would be free cash flow. Start building up. That would be not only cash, but short-term instruments like treasury bills, things of CDs that can be turned into cash quickly. Start building up your liquidity. That's actually the best word. That's the word I'm really thinking about. This is not a rehearsed presentation, nor do I have notes in front of me, so sometimes I have to think of what I have to say. So build up your liquidity, your cash liquidity. Why? Because when things take a big dive in the next recession, assets will be selling cheap. Those people who have the resources, the liquidity, the wherewithal is liquidity, could buy assets on the cheap. And when the cycle turns up again, which it will, you'll come out ahead of the game. You'll be a winner. Or as I say in one of my videos a long time ago, you'll be a business lord. The business lords are those people who will be able to have the wherewithal, the liquidity, to take advantage of opportunities when things really take a dive, when the economy takes a dive. And then, when things turn around, you're smelling like a rose. Anyways, I don't want to make a long video. I think you got my point. As one of my supervisors said when I used to work for a living a long time ago, do you get my drift? I think you got my drift. Reduce your debt levels. It'd be nice if you could eliminate them. That's asking too much. Reduce your debt levels where they're manageable in bad economic times, and build up your liquidity. So you'll take advantage of buying assets on the cheap. Anyways, I spoke long enough. Hate long videos. Appreciate it. Like I said before, if you got something from this video, hit the like symbol and subscribe to my channel. And I shall see you again. Be well. Remember, liquidity is king. Not Elvis. Bye now.